Hey, this is Jeff Trainor, and today I wanted to talk a little bit about making your first affiliate sale. So, when you're trying to make your first affiliate sale, you need two things. You need focus and you need direction. Without either one of these two things, you're going to go off on a tangent and you're never going to make that sale. You're going to be off somewhere, and the affiliate sale that you could have made is looming elsewhere. And basically, to make this affiliate sale, it's a recipe. You follow things, and then boom, you have your first sale. And once you get this recipe down, you can continue to do it over and over and over again and make more money per month. So basically what you want to do is you want to start here and end up here and do this numerous times a month so that your commissions go up. So in order to make affiliate sales, you must remember focus. Focus on the task at hand. Every day when you wake up, focus on what you're doing. If you need to, get a notebook of paper and write down what you want to accomplish for that day. Write down 3 things that are going to help you get that first affiliate sale. Because once you have that first affiliate sale, you can make many more. So you need direction in the way of written objectives and a written daily business plan to get you this affiliate sale. And let me go over that a little bit. What I mean by direction is what is your goal and how do you expect to get to that goal? Perhaps your niche is selling bicycles. You know, that's a tough niche in the winter to sell bicycles. So right now during the winter, you might not be able to sell any bicycles. So all this work that you're doing to get your affiliate sale, you're not making sales because it's the wrong time of year. You need to know what your niche is, when you're going to sell that product, and how you're going to go about doing it. And you write those down every day, 3 ideas. It's like a recipe book. You go 1 to 2 to 3 to sale. And eventually, you're going to start making sales by doing this. So let me talk a little bit about this affiliate sale. And for our example, let's talk about Amazon affiliate. Being an Amazon affiliate and selling products. Let's say, for example, that you're selling a knife. Now, how are you going to get from the link at Amazon to your customer and they're going to purchase that knife? How are you going to do that? That's what you should think of every single day, and you should write it down. What you could do is you could go, okay, today I'm going to make a website or a blog, and in that blog I'm going to use SEO. So it could be SEO marketing. And from there, people are going to click on my blog and they're going to find the product and purchase the product. And that's going to end up with a sale. Now that's okay, But think even deeper than that. If you write the blog and you're new to affiliate marketing, how are you going to get people to see that blog? Is it just the SEO marketing? Or are you going to drive people to your blog by using such things as what I'm doing here, YouTube, Facebook? How are you going to get people to see your posts so that you make affiliate sales? That should be in your daily direction every day. Every day, write down something like, in your notebook, every single day, write down something like, I am going to write my blog and use SEO marketing to make affiliate sales. I know that this takes time, and I probably will make no sales for at least 1 month. Now, see, by doing that, you're focusing on the goal. You know that it's going to come later down the road. And you could refer to your notepad every single day until you're making these sales. And then you could go back and say, wow, I completed this and I'm making sales now. So let's just repeat that and keep making sales, and then I'll reach my goal. Which brings me to another point. You should know what your goal is. If you don't know what your goal is, you don't have any direction. And let's talk about that for a minute. What is your goal? Is your goal to make just one affiliate sale? Now, that's not a bad goal if you don't have an affiliate sale yet. You have to start with the first one. So maybe that's your short-term goal. And then after you hit this goal, you could make another goal that says, now I want to make 5 affiliate sales. As you go on, as you progress towards your affiliate sales, you should keep changing your goals. You have to crawl before you walk, and you have to walk before you run. And in affiliate marketing, too many people try to run really fast without crawling and walking. And that's one thing that leads to a large amount of failure in this industry. So I hope you got something from this video. What it is take action. Every day write down 3 things in a notebook of where you want to go to get your first affiliate sale. What are you doing to make that affiliate sale? They're not going to just happen by chance. You have to progress and do action, and then eventually you're going to make your first affiliate sale, preferably within 90 days of when you started. And then, you could keep making affiliate sales until you're making them every single day. So what you should do, and the lesson you should learn from this video today, is write down how you're going to get from where you're at today to where you want to be. And what you do is do it every single day that you're going to work online. whether it be I'm going to post a YouTube video every other day until I make my affiliate sale, or whether it's I'm going to write 3 blog posts a week to make my affiliate sale. Every single day, write down what you're going to do. And what I like to do is I like to wake up. I like to do it the night before. I sit and think, what am I going to do tomorrow? And I write down 3 things. I'm going to do this, and I'm going to do this, and I'm going to do this. And eventually, the delayed gratification is the affiliate sale. And you might have to do that for a while to get started. But if you haven't made your first affiliate sale, that's where you start. It's all focus. Focus, focus, focus. You'll hear me talk a lot about that in my channel. You'll hear me talk about direction. Know the direction you're headed. You don't want to be off side tracks, going in different directions, not focusing on your first affiliate sale. It's a recipe for success. It's not that hard. Keep it surprisingly simple. Kiss it every day. Keep it surprisingly simple. Lay it out like a recipe book. Say, if I do this, this, and this, I'm going to reach my affiliate sales. Too many affiliates, and myself included, when I first started affiliate marketing, are apt to start watching lots of videos and going in multitude of directions and not knowing where your direction really is. You start buying products and you don't implement those products, and before you know it, it's a year down the road and you still haven't made your first affiliate sale because you didn't have the focus and the direction. And that's where to start. It's all a head game. You have to be very focused and you have to have that direction. So I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, I would appreciate you sub and hit that bell notification for more videos. I'm going to be posting a lot of videos now on affiliate marketing and tips. And if you're an affiliate marketer, I think you'll get a lot of value out of my YouTube videos. So thank you for watching. Please feel free to comment. I'll check out your comments, and have a blessed day.